Hello, my students. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Today's lesson is super easy, actually, so good. And it's really important to you to know this kind of essay, okay? So, today we're going to talk about problem solution essay. And you have to learn about problem solution, how to write a problem solution essay. I'm going to show you the methods and the ways, the strategies that you should follow and the structure. And if you follow the rules, you're going to be fine. Okay? So, I'm going to show you that we have two ways to write a problem solution essay. Okay? So first thing we should know that what is problem solution essay? Okay, sometimes in an essay you identify a problem and offer one or more possible solution. Here is an editorial about two kinds of coral that have been identified as threatened. So here I move to save coral reefs. So this is the title. I have said that before, like you should choose a good title, a very catchy and attractive title. So I just want to like make a quick revision that the structure of any essay that you should write a introduction, body paragraph, and another body paragraph. Like you should write at least two or three, and the last thing you should do or write is a conclusion. Okay, so this is the structure of like any essay. Good. So I just want to show you the structure that I have, and I'm gonna talk more about in the book. So here, problem solution structure. So again, you should write an introduction, paraphrase the question. So like if you have a question, let's say you didn't want to write something like you have seen it. Let's say like I gave you a question and you have to write an introduction about this question. Paraphrase the introduction, use synonyms. Okay, introduce the specific topics that you will be discussed in the main body paragraphs. And do not forget the most important element is this statement or claim. Good. Main body paragraph, introduce the problem, topic sentence. I gave you that before. You should write a topic sentence that support this statement, supporting idea and details. And here, explain, give details and example. Good. Main body paragraph 2, introduce the solution. We have problem, right? And so the main body paragraph that introduce the solution, topic sentence, explain, give details, example. And the last thing, you should do a conclusion. Summary of the main points, what you think is most important about the topic, give recommendation. Okay, so this is the easiest one. Okay, I'm gonna, like, for example, I'm gonna give you a question and you just follow the structure. Okay, but we have another structure. Okay, so here, let's say that you're gonna write about problem maybe in your city, in your town, or like in a school, or like a global problem, or like you have seen something on like on TV news or something, and you felt like this is a problem, and you have solution. Okay, so probably you're gonna write problem solution essay, right? So here, this is another way. Like you're gonna write your introduction, okay? But let's say that you have three problems, okay? So we're gonna write three body paragraphs, okay? But this one, like you should write the problem in your body paragraph. This is the body paragraph. Problem details, like you should write more about this problem and give a solution details. If you have example, that will be good. Okay, like in your body paragraph, in the first body paragraph, you can write the problem and the solution in the same body paragraph. Okay, so the same thing in the second body paragraph, like you write a problem details, solution details. So actually, this is your, you can choose whatever you want, you choose. And if you want to write a problem, like problems and like details for the problem in the one paragraph, that will be good. And if you want to write problem and solution in the main body paragraph, that will be good too. Okay, so here, this essay is written by someone and from New York Times, and that was published June 5th, 2006. So this is some kind of thread or something. I want you to read every article in our book because I'm gonna ask you about this article. Okay, so here we have identified problem and a recent attempt at a solution. Okay, this is like some kind of introduction. You should write. And here let's list reasons that the problem exists. This is another way. Okay, the problem. Okay, here we can you can see, and the first here, I'm sorry, just give me a sec. Okay, like problem. Okay, here an analysis of the problem including a statistic. You can like do this explanation of this of the problem and use a conclusion. I would recommend you to use this structure because this is so easy to follow, and you can gain information I think much better. And I think you just have to be careful when you write problem solution essay. I recommend you this structure, as I said, because it's easy to learn and it's easy to work with. Okay, just you have to write your introduction and problem details, solution details, and problem details, solution details. Okay, if you have like 3 problems, that's fine. I'm gonna send you this. Okay, I will upload this writing model problem solution essay, and here just write an essay which you explain problem and purpose of one or more solutions. Okay, we have like problem or 2 and you have to write about it. Okay, here just will like tell you the strategies. Identify problem. So if you have a problem, just tell the audience what is the problem. Okay, and gather information of like we have problem in your town. Let's say like there's a lot of rubbish on the streets, it's not clean, so you have to gather information like the main street that they're not clean. Okay, or why they're not clean. Good. So I gather information like do people throw things on street, things like that. Build your case, come up with reasons why the solution is effective. So let's say you came up with a good solution. Okay, so come up with reasons why your solution and your point of view is effective, and explain the solution using evidence, facts, statistic, quotation, expert opinions, anecdotes, or example. You can maybe compare, or you can say like in another cities they have this, so why we don't do the same. Okay, make an outline. After you gathered evidence to support your solution, organize this material into an outline to help you figure out the strongest and the most logical way to explain the evidence. This is so important point. I would recommend you to follow. Okay, and here address any anticipated resistance. Many social problems, homelessness, substance abuse, like elevated drop rates, so and so on. Okay, and so are difficult to solve because there are at least 2 sides to the issue. So we have like maybe the kind of problems that is difficult to find a solution. Okay, and connect ideas, make it coherent, organized, and use transition word like because they're so important, like likewise, also too, and I gave it to you, right? And with the like guide readers with transitions such as however, yet, but, and also I gave it to you just like to have to take a look again. Okay, so and you have to choose a topic that you like to write about it. This is so important. We have it's personal, academic, political. Personal, maybe because you find something, interview friends, or like this. This is if you want to choose a topic. Okay, so I want you actually to I want you to choose a topic and please write about it. I want you to have it this weekend. Good. And again, like I said, identify the problem, develop the topic thoroughly, use transition and precise language, precise sensory details if you like, maintain a formal style and objective tone, present your proposed solution, conclude your case. Okay, so and I want you just like to be careful, okay, and do not like make mistakes, grammar mistakes, things like that. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed this lesson because it's so good and so important to know problem solution essay. If you have any if you have any problem, just feel free to ask me whatever you want. Okay, and please read this article because we're gonna discuss the article. Okay, have a nice day.